Hello students, let us discuss today how can we create logic gates using diode and transistor, that is called DTL circuits or DTL logic families. So let us see how can we create an NAND gate. So NAND gate gives you the low output only when both the inputs are high. Now, for example, if both the inputs are low, in that case, what will happen? Either both the diodes are conducting. Okay, so either both are low or one of this input is low, then that diode will be conducting, and this circuit will complete from here. So at this point, potential at base will not be sufficient to drive this diode, this transistor on. So this will be working in the cutoff region. So no current will be flowing in the RC, and you get the output equals to the output V not equal to the VCC. Similarly, if now if both the diodes are conducting, okay, both the diodes have this AA is 1, then what will happen? Both diode will go in reverse bias, and these will act as an open circuit. So no current will be going from here to here, and all the voltage will apply to the base, and this transistor will start base will start conducting, and then there will be base current. So obviously there will be a current IC, and all the voltage which is coming from here, that will get drop here, and output you'll receive only 0 volts. So this is the NAND gate implementation using transistors and diode. Similarly, we can create NOR gate also. So NOR gates gives you the high output when both the inputs are low. So suppose if both the inputs are low here, then these circuits are open circuit. These are open circuit. This base cannot conduct. There is no IB. There's no high voltage. There's no IB. So what will happen? There will be no current. So this will be a cutoff region. So again, all the voltage VCC will appear here, no current at IC here. So all the voltage will appear here. Now, any one of this diode is conducting either 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, then what will happen? This circuit will complete, and this high voltage will come here. And because of this high voltage, this transistor will go in saturation. He will be VC0, and this current will start flowing. So all the drop will come across this one. So V naught you'll get 0. So this is way we can implement a NOR gate using a combination of diode and transistors. Thank you very much.